My name is Lindsey Horvath. I am the Supervisor for Los Angeles County's 3rd District, proudly representing Santa Monica. St. John's plays an incredibly critical role in our community, providing life-saving services, not the least of which has been the pulmonary clinic they recently launched in the wake of the fires that have devastated us here in 2025. And in fact, the doctor leading that effort himself lost his home in the fires and continued to do this work. That is the kind of effort, the spirit, the love and care and compassion that St. John's brings to community members they serve. We know that as these health crises have emerged, St. John's has been a partner to every community leader, but also in the everyday work that's being done. Any number of challenges that our families are facing, St. John's is there. I have had family members and friends who have been through the struggle and battle of breast cancer. I have seen how St. John's has shown up in unique ways to support women who are on this journey. I can't help but advocate for a place that takes women's health so seriously. This isn't just sort of a checklist of diagnoses. How do we center you in this experience? How do we make sure that you get what you need? And for St. John's to take that kind of really intentional care for women, I want to shout it from the rooftops. The Margie Petersen Breast Center has shown up for countless women. Given that it is located right in Santa Monica, I think it's been an especial treasure. Mayor Lana Negretti herself has been through a personal journey, and I know that she is so tough. She's been made all the stronger because she's been supported right in her own community. It's about making sure that women really understand that their needs are being prioritized. You don't have to undergo a procedure that isn't absolutely necessary in order to help you on this journey of recovery and fighting breast cancer. And I think that's so incredibly special, and I want to thank Dr. Grumley for how special she is and the ways that she has uniquely focused to make sure that women are supported in all the ways that they deserve. It's really important that we take this month of October to make sure we're monitoring our breast health, make sure that you are checking in with your medical professionals about your own health. It's more common than you think, and that's why having partners like the Margie Petersen Breast Center are so critically important, because you have a safe space you can go to right in your own community. For anyone who's on this journey, I just want you to know you're not alone, but there are so many people who want to see you supported in all the ways that you deserve. I am so grateful to the Margie Petersen Breast Center for the ways in which they are playing a significant role, but there's so much more that we can do, and we can invest in this very life-saving work right in our own community. And not only are they doing this through technology, they are also themselves teaching other fellows at the Institute through very innovative work, through clinical trials, just how important this life-saving work can be, and making sure they have the skills necessary to go and perform this surgery in other places all around the country. I am so honored to be at the Power of Pink celebration, receiving this incredibly meaningful award, to know that I am part of this tremendous community of support, to know that I get to be even closer to the work of the Margie Petersen Breast Center. This is just a tremendous honor, and I cannot thank you enough.